Good evening, everybody. I'm just stopping in a farmer's field next to the center of Canada. I was just on my way there to take a picture, and I drove by here, and it looks like somebody has made a tractor and farm equipment museum in his farm field. It's absolutely beautiful. I've been here for about 15 minutes taking a look around. I don't know much about tractors. In fact, I don't know anything. I know the name of John Deere, and I know the name of Massey Harris, but other than that, I'm totally lost. I don't know what any of this equipment is. And it looks like they have some couple of really neat trucks here too. So we're just going to take a look around. Like I said, I don't know too much about farm equipment, so I might not have too much to say, but it's a beautiful evening, and this will probably take us 20 minutes, half an hour to walk around. And in the meantime, we might be so lucky to see a little bit of a sunset. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Yeah, so I actually drove down the highway today to see the landmark for the center of Canada. I was reading an article online last night, and it looks like they're in the early stages of making a park. And I'm assuming, they said they had a lot of acreage, that it'll be all done in those fields out there. And they have some picnic tables and a parking lot down at that end of the field there, and we'll go take a look at that before we leave. But before we do, let's take a look at this amazing farm machinery museum. It's beautiful, and it looks like a lot of this is really old. It's a beautiful day. Spring is here. Doesn't mean we're not going to get another winter storm. Look at that. Like I said, I love gears. And don't hesitate to shout out information. If you know something about what we're looking at, for sure let us know, because I'm interested. Even though I don't know about it, I definitely do want to know about it. So for sure, down in the comments, let me know what we're looking at. I wonder if he bought that for the museum or if he's selling it. Look at the icicles on the side of the truck. Aren't those pretty? Now, I wasn't planning on doing any exploring this evening, but I'm here now. I don't have the microphone on here, so hopefully it's not too windy. Yeah, that's a passion for somebody to go through all this trouble. And I bet you, even in this state, I bet you this stuff is worth a lot of money. John Deere. Let's take a look at the seating. I'm going to get some lovely pictures at sunset. I know I am. I wonder if he made this to celebrate Canada's 150th birthday. It does seem to me that I remember ever seeing it here before. McCormick Deering. Now I'm going to assume that was a company that they joined together and they separated at some point and went their separate ways, and that's how John Deere came in effect. Now here's the Harris. These are the ones we find out at the farms all the time. Maybe they were pretty cost effective, or maybe they were a superior brand. I could just stare at this stuff all day. I wish I was here a couple of hours ago. Beautiful. beautiful. I wonder if there's any, you know, manufacturing prints or anything on any of this. I sure would like to do. Oh, like here's some. What does that say? Oh, Deering. Okay. Beautiful old wood. How's everybody doing tonight? I hope everybody's having a nice evening. Look at these. These look old. Look how sharp that is. I wonder if they're the owners of this property. It would make sense that they were. That looks like a torpedo. Yeah, I wish I was more knowledgeable on this stuff. This is so interesting. And you can tell that it's old. You can tell, like, it's really old. And I don't recognize any of that. I mean, I guess I could take a guess as I go. Well, that's a good game. Let's play that game. What is it? So I don't know if these were meant to be like this or if they were like framed in wood, if these were vehicles or not, or you sat on just pure metal when you were working in the fields. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's some kind of tiller. Hey, am I right on that one? Is that some kind of tiller? Let me know in the comments. This is spectacular. How wonderful. That's a lot of work somebody put into doing this. I hope they had some help. I'm sure they had some donations. I'm sure that he wouldn't have purchased all of this on his own. That would be an expensive endeavor, I would think. See, I'm walking on here. You can see though it's spring. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? It's beautiful out. Just beautiful out. I hope it's not windy. I hope my video's not being ruined with wind. But like I said, I don't mind coming out again. Oh, look at this one. This one looks old. McCormick and Deering. You see, I guess the rabbits live in the machinery. Oh, look at it. It's a crank. It has a crank. This one's really old. Look at this. Okay, I'm assuming this is a tractor and that this is some kind of tiller to dig up the ground for planting. Wonderful. Now all the tractors are encased and air conditioned. Yeah, these are ornaments. Look at it. We're not even halfway done. Not even halfway done. I hope you're all finding this as interesting as I am. Spectacular. I'm falling in the snow up here. I don't know. We'll get up here. Oh. Yes, see, this is the exact tractor I find all the time out in the fields. Look at this one. It looks like an army truck. It does. It looks like army issue. Well, I haven't missed any, so I've got to get over there. It's just that things are softening up now, so, you know, I don't want to fall through and be speared by a piece of ice. There we go. See, the breeze is starting to pick up now. Hopefully my video's good. Look at the blade on that. Look at this truck. This is an old one. Let's go this way. Oh yeah, I'm going to get some good pictures, for sure I am. This one is either the oldest one or the one that didn't hold up very well. And what is it? Oh, that's a different one. Hawks. Huh. And that's a crank, so it is an old one. $19.18. Huh. I wonder if he bought these or if these are for sale. They might be for sale. Oh, that's a nice picture. I'm going to get some nice pictures. Okay. So, I'm not sure what that is. Yeah. Not sure what that is. Maybe it was, I don't know, for hawking corn. What is the price on that? What does it say? Prairie City, Washington? Is it Prairie City in Washington? I've been to Washington a few times. The first time I went, I think I was 13 years old. And I talked my teachers and my principals and my parents on letting me go to Seattle all by myself to go see Tutankhamun's exhibit. One of the best experiences in my entire life. Yeah, one I'll never forget. What is this? I love the colors. The old wood. Patent pending. Case. There's another one I've not seen before. And again, it's got a crank. See if there's a date written on it. What does that say? Patent pending. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but does patent pending means they're waiting for licensing? It's kind of like in the experimental stage, and if it doesn't work out, then it never comes into effect? Look at this. This one's a nice one. What does this say? It's a road builder. Oh, so this thing you would drag through the bush and it would take down the trees and make a road? I wonder. I bet you that's exactly what it is. Is that ever neat? Oh, I'm gonna have lots of choices for a thumbnail. This is a good candidate, this one. I really like this piece. I really like that piece. Yeah, I wish I knew which one was the star of the show. Like I said, I don't know anything about this stuff. But I think that one that road clearer, I bet you that would be a star, wouldn't it? McCormick. I don't know what that is. And I'm going to assume if they don't have motors on them that they were meant to be dragged behind a tractor. See, and I bet you I'm the lucky one who gets to be here. And there are probably lots of people who appreciate this a whole lot more than I do. I mean, I find it spectacularly beautiful. But I bet you if I loved this stuff, like really loved it and understood it, yeah, I would want to be here to take a look at it. I think we've almost got them all. What a great explore this was. This is so spectacular. And you know this was done from the heart. Like you can just tell that this was done from the heart. So amazing. Okay. Did I get them all? Did I get to see this one? Some spots, no snow. Some spots, 3 feet of snow. This is an old one. Did we look at this one already? Maybe. It's lovely though. Okay, everybody, we're going to call that an explore. That was awesome. That's going to make for great content this week. I hope the breeze didn't get to the video too badly. But yeah. Oh, and we still have the center of Canada. I don't know if you can see down there those Canadian flags. There's some Canadian flags down there. Where are you? Maybe they're just too far away. But in any case, I'm going to be heading down there to check out the center of Canada. And it was the whole point of coming out here. I'm just so happy that I stumbled onto this. Magnificent. What a lot of work. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Oh, the sun's coming down now. I was just saying nice things about my Osmo and the battery died. Everybody, we're standing in the center of Canada. Is that not neat? This is the early stages of a park that's being built, and it was in celebration of Canada's 150th birthday. They've built a nice parking lot over here, and they've set up some beautiful picnic tables and a nice rest stop there for people to stop. And I can see footprints all in that dirt there, so you know people are stopping to take pictures, so that's pretty neat. Yeah, I'm curious to see what their plans are for that great big huge field. That's a lot of land. That's going to make for an amazing park. We're right on Highway number 1, the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the municipality of Taché. Okay, everybody, off I go. We'll see you next week. Have a great night. Bye-bye.